How to avoid getting ripped off by contractors. Handyman, fixer-upper guys, you name it. Hello everyone, my name is Jose J. Garcia. I am a real estate investor, coach, and mentor. The name in itself has it, contractors. And I know a lot of you deal with it, whether you're in real estate, mobile homes, you name it. People are getting ripped off because of how you pay your contractors. You're making the mistake of upfrontly paying them. That's a mistake. I paid a contractor $2,000 to get started and they never showed up. They're not going to show up. They're long gone and moved along. Okay. That's what happens. The way here at GMHU, the way we pay them, everything is by the job. Now, when I say by the job, I don't mean get started with the job. I mean complete the job and then we pay you. Our contractors can get paid every day. And who doesn't like to get paid every day? But it's by the job, which means that if I'm paying you daily, you are daily turning in work for me to review, and it is complete and it checks out. So therefore, I reward you by paying you any time of that day. That's how it works. Look, visit us, follow us, GarciaMHU.com for more tips, ideas, any way we can help. We'll see you there. Thank you for watching.